Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Ayan, ma-appreciate ko kung mag-like kayo, mag-subscribe, magko-comment dito sa ating video nito. Nagpapakita yun ng malaking suporta sa akin. So meron din po pala akong Facebook page. Feel free to follow me doon sa aking Facebook page na yun. Bago lang siya so hindi mo pa siya masi-search. Ang i-search mo, #Libra Philippines. Meron akong mga sinishare doon. You might want to check it out. So, ayan. This is love reading. Kung ayaw mo ng way kung paano ko mag-read, you can feel free na in next video na lang. Check mo yung ibang channels. Ayan. Or yung ibang video natin. Dahil maaaring nandun yung reading para sa'yo. Pwede ka makarelate, huwag mong pilitin. Okay, this is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Let's start your reading. Meron din po pala akong TikTok Unipri. Ayan. Let's start. Libra. Masyadong maraming message. Wait lang. Ito lang ang kukunin ko. King of Cups. And the Three of Pentacles. Eight of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. I feel like Eight of Swords is sumunod na card sa kanya ay ang the Tower. I feel like there's something here na pwedeng nag-i-end sa'yo or ini-end mo, ikaw ito nag-i-end, and maybe it has something to do with mga bagay na pwedeng matagal nang na-stuck sa'yo. So, parang ayaw mo na ma-stuck ito. So, kailangan pakinabangan or ayusin or dapat harapin. Like, maybe these are your fears. Yung iba may kinalaman sa pera Ace of Pentacles is here. So, maybe revisiting something na nag-end sa'yo or pwedeng may kinalaman ito sa career. Pwedeng hinaharap mo tong bagay na to kasi baka pagkakitaan pa. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng pagbebenta ng mga gamit na pwedeng mabenta sa tahanan ninyo na pwedeng ito hindi ko na kasi ito nagagamit, sayang, perahin natin. Ayan. Or maybe revisiting a career na pwedeng noon ay napabayaan mo or hindi mo napapansin. It could be your career or maybe business ng mga taong malapit sa'yo. Okay. This is the King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You are a person na talagang gusto mo ng growth. Yung mga tao sa paligid mo, pinupush ka rin nila na magkaroon ng growth sa sarili mo. I can see father figure na lagi nandyan para sa'yo. This could be someone na parang susuportahan kanya kung ano yung mga plano mo sa buhay. Nandito lang ako. And if ever that you need help, I'm here. Ganun. This could be someone na willing na magbigay sa iyo ng tulong if you want to grow something or any area of your life na parang gusto mo talagang mag-grow. Nakikita natin with the King of Cups yung support ng taong ito para sa iyo. So, punta tayo sa person na kakonect mo. For the sign of Libra, check mo yung ibang sign. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. Ano yung main energy ng person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Energy ng person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. Four of Swords. Ayan. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Energy. Aries is also here with the Emperor. Bottom of the deck is the Tower. So, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng ending sa inyo itong person na to. The Emperor. I don't know. This could be a father figure then. Or mother figure or father figure. Pero ito medyo mature tong taong ito. And there's something here na nag-end sa inyo pero parang tinatanggap niya na nag-end ito. Okay? Sa buhay ninyo. And might be connection with this person. So, parang tinatanggap niya na nag-end na yung connection ninyo. Parang, I need to move on. I need to focus on mga bagay na nasa harapan ko ngayon. This is a person who importante ka sa person na to, but parang may mga bagay na hindi na kasi pwedeng ipilit. Ganun. And nakakaamoy ako ng amoy maleta or amoy, alam mo yun, balikbayan. So, I don't know kung ikaw ba'y nagpaplanong umuwi if you are a balikbayan or if you are working abroad. So, pwedeng may pagpaplano na bumalik, umuwi, ganun. Or magbakasyon sa Pinas. And this could be a reading. Kung hindi, okay lang. Kasi nakakaamoy lang ako ng amoy maleta. Ganun. Hindi ko rin alam kung anong amoy yun. Kasi, I do have family na nag-work din sa abroad. So, alam ko yung amoy ng maleta. Alam ko yung amoy ng ng parang hinalo-halong gamit na na nasa maleta. So anyway, ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa for the sign of Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Two of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Well, ito yung emotions mo para sa kanya. Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Two of Pentacles, the World. Clarify natin yung Two of Pentacles and Two of Wands. The Four of Wands. Ayan, gusto ko to. Emotions niya para sa'yo. Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Knight of Swords is also here. Tapos, the Sun. Okay. Five of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. Four of Wands. You are someone na pwedeng... Oh, did I say Four of Wands? This is the Two of Wands. Sorry. Dito muna tayo. Emotion mo para sa kanya, I feel like you're still hanging. Alam mo yon, yung parang... Kasi feeling mo... mas mag-work out yung buhay mo or yung mga plano mo sa buhay with the help of this person. So, somehow, you're still hanging sa connection na ito or sa person na ito. With the Two of Pentacles, I feel like nag-focus ka ngayon sa mga priorities mo sa buhay, sa growth mo, especially na may kinalaman sa pera. And sa career, yan nga. I feel like tinitreasure mo pa rin itong person na to, pinahalagahan mo pa rin siya kasi I don't know, there's something with this person na parang hindi siya basta-basta madaling kalimutan or what, 'di ba? And with the World, pwedeng dinidistansyahan mo na tong person na to or you're creating your own world kahit wala tong person na to na parang maybe you have to accept yung completion or yung ending na nangyayari sa inyo. With the Four of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. So, I feel like yung emotions mo has something to do with mga bagay na stable ngayon sa buhay mo. Kung ano yung mga may kasiguraduhan and you're working on yourself with regards sa iyong stability, with regards to your home. So, kung ano yung mga bagay na importante sa'yo ngayon, ito yung mas binibigyan mo ng pansin, mas binibigyan mo ng attention. Emotion ng person na ito sa'yo is the Eight of Pentacles. The Eight of Pentacles is a busy energy, busy person. So, masyado siyang busy. The Nine of Swords. So, I feel like may mga bagay na parang tinatry i-deny nito person na to, kaya siya nagpapaka-busy. And with the Sun, I feel like the Sun is happiness. So, pwedeng may mga bagay na nagbibigay ng kasayahan sa kanya ngayon, kaya niya ginagawa itong pagpapaka-busy, you know? And, honestly, the Five of Cups, this is showing to me as a card na nagbibigay ng kalungkutan. And clarify the Five of Cups. The Star. Someone here is feeling sad kasi hindi niya makuha itong the star, which is yung wish niya, yung dreams niya, or well, I don't know. It could be you or your person. Pwedeng pangarap mo itong person na to, or ikaw pangarap ka nitong person na to, pero hindi kanya maabot, hindi kanya makuha. Diba? So, parang nakakalungkot, ang sakit kasi parang ang hirap eh. So, ito yung nagbibigay ng kalungkutan sa kanya. Or sa'yo. It doesn't matter kung ikaw or siya. Basta, isa sa inyo ang nakikitaan natin ng ganun. Well, etong taong to gusto niya ng reconciliation, but like, mahirap pa sa ngayon. Sino to? I want to clarify, sino tong Five of Cups and the Star? This is the person with the Judgment. Nagkakaroon ng awakening ngayon pagdating sa kung ano yung connection na meron sa inyo. And I feel like this is a person na nagkakaroon ng pagbabago pagdating sa like karelasyon. I don't know if you're in a relationship or yung person na to is nagkakaroon ng relationship. Basta nagkakaroon ng pagbabago with regards sa usaping pakikipagrelasyon. So this person na nagkakaroon ng awakening pagdating sa connection ninyo is the person na nasasaktan ngayon. It could be you or your person. And maybe someone who is investing sa beauty or I feel like someone na naghihintay pa rin sa future. In the future, you do have here the Four of Cups. Clarify the Four of Cups. The Hierophant. This is your energy. The Hierophant, the Taurus energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Queen of Cups is here. In the near future, please. Kunin natin, ha? Ten of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Two of Swords. I feel like in the future, nagkakaroon ng pagdedesisyon ang isa sa inyo na pwedeng i-end ang connection nito. Kasi with the Seven of Wands, maraming dahilan kung bakit hindi siya pwedeng ituloy. And with the Five of Wands, nagkakaroon dito ng pagkagalit or pag-aaway. And you do have the Four of Cups, pwedeng hindi ka na sigurado about reconciliation or kung just in case mag-offer itong person na to, anong gagawin ko, ganyan. But maybe in the past, you know what to do, alam mo kung anong gagawin mo, but in the future, I feel like parang, wag na lang, or hindi ako sigurado kung anong gagawin ko na. The Queen of Cups, I feel like you are loving itong iyong spirituality, or with the Hierophant, this has something to do with your purpose sa buhay, so you are more inclined dito, or mas focus ka dito sa pag-develop ng sarili mo, pag-develop physically, emotionally, healing, pagdating sa health, yung iba sa inyo. And yeah, you do have here the Hermit. This is Virgo energy. And the Tower. So maybe you are ending yung mga bagay na may kinalaman sa home, or maybe if you feel like yung person mo, yung home mo, or the person na mayroon kayong sharing of like resources or sharing of something, connection na may kinalaman sa pwedeng pera or home or maybe children, a child, whatever, na nakikita natin yung pag-i-end dito. Like, this is an ending of a contract, ending of a connection, communication, and yeah. What is the advice? Kasi nakakita tayo mga endings. Nakaamoy ako ng sigarilyo. This could be a reading. Well, the advice for you is the Six of Swords. You have to move on. I mean, honestly, hindi naman lahat ng bagay talaga dapat ipilit. Hindi naman talaga lahat ng bagay is madadaan sa manifestation, sa dasal, or what. Sometimes you have to understand and you have to accept the truth about the things na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. And you do have the Six of Swords. Kailangan mong mag-move on. The Five of Pentacles, the more na iisipin mo na hindi ka tinanggap or hindi ka tinulungan or hindi ka binigyan, the more na malulungkot ka lang or masasaktan ka lang. You want more sa person na ito, but unfortunately, hindi niya maibigay or hindi niya ibinibigay yung more na yon for you. So, the advice for you is actually to move on. And the Ace of Pentacles, focus on this new beginning. If you're not open for love, hindi ka naman pinipilit na magka-love life agad. The Ace of Cups and the Eight of Swords, nakikita natin dito that there are new people that is about to enter your life. Pero kung hindi ka pa ready, emotionally, physically, and you're thinking of other things pa na gusto mong pagfokusan, the Temperance is showing here. So, huwag ka magmadali. Take your time. No? King of Pentacles is here. I feel like you need to be more stable or focus nga doon sa iyong stability. Kung may babalik man sa'yo sa nakaraan, or kung gugustuhin mo bumalik pa sa nakaraan, pwedeng masaktan ka lang. Okay, so this reading is telling you na you have to move on. You have to focus on your life. Focus on yourself. Diba? Madali lang yan eh. Para sa'yo. Diba? So, thank you for watching. I love you all. And bye-bye.